You have to do so many sacrifices for achieving 700 marks. You need to become a doctor. So stop scrolling in the mobile phone. You can use social media after 1 year or 2 years. Why I want to study? If you are putting more effort, the result will be more. That is the point. Write down your goals. Hi students, how are you? Yes. So இன்னைக்கு நாம் வந்து 700 marks. How can we achieve 700 plus marks? பார்க்கலாமா? அது எப்படி என்ன பார்க்கலாமா? Yes. Some of the students are thinking like 700 marks. This is easy for me because I was a class topper in previous classes. So this 700 is very easy for me. No, it is not like that, Kutiyale. Because 700 in NEET, that is something different. For achieving 700 plus marks, you have to dedicate yourself for the examination. You have to do hard work. You have to give your more time in studies. You have to concentrate. You have to do so many sacrifices for achieving 700 marks. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay, va? Yes. Mainly the examination. That is not that much hard. The examination is not that much hard. The examination's mark is determined by the dedication. How many of you are studying 8 hours in a day or 9 hours in a day? Most of the students are like, I need 1 hour for one chapter. That is enough for me. Don't go for like that. Minimum, you should spend 3 hours. Minimum, that is a minimum range. Okay, va? Sariya? So the exam is not hard. The habit that you are following is very weak. Okay, va, Pasangala? So avoid the weak habit and the excuses, the silly excuses. Some of the students are like, yeah, I study morphology of flowering glands. I know that chapter. So I will revise this in the end. Okay. So this is kind of excuses. The procrastination. I will study in the next day. I will study in 15th or in November 20th. 2 or 3 days is enough for me. This kind of procrastination mindset, that is also very dangerous. Don't go for that kind of mind. Okay. Yes. Let us check how toppers study and how average students study. What about toppers? They are following a disciplined study structure. Okay, toppers are not gifted. They are achieving or obtaining that skill. Okay, they are practicing. That's why they gain that skill to memorize all the points. Seriya? So you can, the average student also can become a topper in NEET examination. You can also achieve 700 plus marks in examination. Just feed this in your mind, Vasangala. Motivation, that is very important. Okay, motivation. Self-motivation is very important because sometimes you will think like, I can't. This I can't will destroy the examination. Okay, so instead of this, when you get bored, just think about your qualities. Just think about how much you can study or how talented you are. That is also very important. Why you stuck in examination, Vasangala? Why? Do you ever think about this? I will explain why you stuck in examination. Because you are giving more importance to scrolling. Okay, you are giving more importance to scrolling than studying. Which one is important for you? Mobile phone, social media or studying? Now you guys have one aim. You need to become a doctor. So stop scrolling in the mobile phone. You can use social media after 1 year or 2 years. Okay, social media is still there. The content in social media is there. Okay, Vasariya? So you can watch that it later. Now it is a time for studying, Vasangala. Just study. Okay, so this is the first point. And what about the second one? You are going for the comfort. Now you are sitting in a comfort zone. Yeah, my parents are giving me everything. Then why I want to study? I just want to read the textbook and attend the examination. This mindset will destroy you. Just focus on the growth. Okay. You should plan a aim. Okay, that aim should be long lasting aim, not a short term goal or a short term aim. Sariya, just think about the doctor life, the cord, the stethoscope, that life. That is very good. Yes. And you are considering excuses greater than effort. How much effort are you putting for the examination? How much? Just think now. How much effort? So, don't excuse. Don't make excuses, silly excuses. Just avoid it. Okay, va? Efforts are very bigger. If you are putting more effort, the result will be more. That is the point. Okay, Avasangla? And the decisions. Decisions. Take strong decisions. That will change your life. The strong decisions will change your life. This is a formula, 700 plus formula for you, Makle. That is 8 to 10 hours of real study. I already told you minimum 3 hours is required in a day. Minimum 3 hours. In this 3 hours, you can study 1 hour for concept learning and the second hour for PYQs and MCQs. And the third hour is for what? Revision. This is a minimum strategy. This is a minimum, not the maximum, minimum. If you need to achieve 700 plus, don't go for the bare minimum. Okay, so 8 to 10 hours of real study is important and NCERT mastery. I always told you, for biology, NCERT is very important and mandatory. Okay, and daily practice plus PYQs. This is also very helpful to attaining 700 plus marks. Weekly tests and revise mistakes. These are the things that you have to do. Okay, Makle? Yes, I know my students are very good. You will follow all these things. This is the daily routine that you should practice. Morning, concept. Morning for concept learning. Afternoon for practice and PYQs. Sariya, evening for week topics and night for revision. Just follow this pattern. This is very important. This pattern is very important. Okay, split your morning, afternoon, evening, night for doing all these. Okay, Baba Sangla, then you can crack 700 plus marks. This is the rule that you should follow. What do you mean by Pomodoro? What is that? The breaks that you are taking. Okay, don't go for a long hour study. Instead of it, take some short breaks. Okay, that will also relaxing. Sariya, and the mixed subject. Don't study biology in a full day. Instead of that, mix the subject. Add physics or chemistry with biology. If you are studying 2 hours biology, then go for physics and chemistry also. Physics 1 hour, chemistry 1 hour. Try to follow this pattern and write down your goals. Make a notebook or take a sheet of take a A4 size sheet and write down your goal in it. Your goal in it. Stick that in the table that you are studying. Okay, paste this sheet in your study table. Every time you are studying, you should watch that goal and it will motivate you. Sariya Singla? Yes. Avoid the phones. Otherwise, it will make distractions. Avoid studying in bed. Some of the students will laying in the bed and they are just passively reading all the NCERT. Just don't go like that. Okay, va? Yes. You should change your mindset. The mindset, that is the key of the goal. Now the life will be harder for you because now you are trying. You are trying too much. But after the result day, the life will be so easier. Sariya? So think about the day after a result. Okay, Baba Sangla? Yes, these are the points from my side. Try to follow this and achieve 700 plus marks. I need to show that. Okay, stay tuned here for more videos like this. Tata, bye bye. Okay, see you.